Today we're talking about a pair of wireless TWS earbuds that I am sure you guys have never seen before. Yo, what's up guys, Anubhav here. Welcome back to a brand new video on the channel guys. We are in a new space. I'll give you more details about this later. But today I'm talking about a really cool product and I'm super excited about it. So make sure to drop a like, hit on the subscribe button, press on the bell icon if you haven't already. And with that said, let's get started. Now, before we guys start, a quick history lesson. Did you guys know that all these massive events that happen around the world like Coachella, the Olympics and the Grammys have in common? JBL's iconic sound and heritage have been a part of these events and much more. And today, I have a little bit of that heritage in my hands right here. Today's video is in collaboration with JBL, ladies and gentlemen, and these are the new Live Beam 3. Let's talk a little more about them. This is the JBL Live Beam 3, a new pair of wireless TWS earbuds from the guys over at JBL. And you might be thinking to yourself, Anubhav, what's so special about this? This is just a normal pair of TWS like any other, right? Well, not really. Let me blow your mind. Take a look at this. This is a fully functional touchscreen on your earbuds charging case. I mean, how cool is that? Imagine having the power of your smartphone right on your TWS earbuds. It's like your phone had a baby and that baby is an audio powerhouse. Let me break down what you can do with this case. Number one, incoming call, just answer it by using the controls on the case. Number two, you receive a text message, read it without fishing for your phone. Number three, you're in a noisy environment, simply turn on noise cancellation or ambient noise right from your case. Number four, want to tweak your sound? Simply turn on the equalizer from here and you can have a different sound mode on the fly. And number five, if you're feeling a little fancy, you can also customize and put a custom wallpaper on the lock screen of this TWS case, making things much more personal. Alright, enough about the fancy screen. After all, these are a pair of wireless TWS earbuds and JBL is known for one thing, and that is the sound. So, how do these really sound? Well, what can I say? Deep lows, crisp mids as well as very clear highs. These earphones have exceptional sound quality, and for the price point that you can get this for, these are really worth it. The case is also smart charging, and the noise cancellation on these things as well as the ambient mode automatically change depending on the situation that you're in if you set it to that mode, making things much more easier so you don't really have to change these things manually once you have them on. Now guys, one of the main reasons why these earbuds sound so good is because JBL has used high fidelity neodymium drivers on this for high-res audio playback along with LDAC support, and it also has immersive spatial sound in case you want to feel the movie or the song like it's playing right around you. Now, as far as battery life is concerned guys, these earbuds along with the charging case give you a total battery life of 48 hours. It also supports Qi wireless charging, and that makes this really good, so you can take a lot of phone calls, you can listen to a lot of music before you run out of juice on this little bad boy. Now, as far as phone calls are concerned, there are also 6 mics in these earbuds which make for a very good customized calling experience, and you can actually take it further by using the JBL headphones app, with which you can fine tweak these settings and make them work perfectly for your use case. And also, it's P55 water and sweat resistance, so if you want to go to the gym and rock these ones on your ears, I think you're good to go. Now, honestly guys, I feel like the JBL Live Beam 3 is not just raising the bar but creating a whole new game altogether. For music enthusiasts, for tech enthusiasts like you and me, or for the general public who just want a good pair of TWS earbuds that simply works, these are definitely worth your attention. Alright, that was it for today's video. Feel free to check out the JBL Live Beam 3 from the link in the description below, and also use my coupon code, which is JBLX Anubhav Roy, to get a flat 1000 rupees off on picking this up from JBL's official website, which will also be linked below. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being a part of today's video. This is Anubhav signing out. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Take care of yourselves and peace out.